In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monetize your Beehiiv newsletter in just 5 minutes. We will be going step by step, ensuring that even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along easily. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Beehiiv website. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to Beehiiv's homepage. Once there, you'll need to locate and click on the login button. This should be straightforward to find, often situated at the top right corner of the page. Now that you're at the login page, you can sign in using various methods, but to streamline this process, I'd recommend clicking on Sign in with Google. This is one of the quickest ways to get into your account, assuming you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. Once you've clicked that, you'll be redirected and logged into your Beehiiv account without needing to input any more information. With that done, it's time to explore the Monetize section. So go ahead and navigate to the Monetize page. This section is specifically designed for users who are eager to start earning from their newsletters. You'll find it easily in your account dashboard. Take a moment to look around at the different options available to you. Next, you'll want to click on Boosts. This feature is crucial as it provides an array of potential markets where you can promote your newsletter. Clicking on Boosts opens up a world of opportunities tailored to help you expand and monetize more effectively. So take your time to understand what each option offers. Once you're in the Boost section, it's time to choose your market. This is a critical step because selecting the right market can significantly influence your newsletter's earning potential. Be strategic in your choice, considering where your content will resonate most and where the audience is hungry for your kind of information or insights. Having selected your market, go ahead and click on Apply. Bear in mind that in some cases, you might need to be on a paid subscription to access the full features of the Boost marketplace. If needed, consider the upgrade as an investment towards maximizing your newsletter's earning potential. Keep in mind that the method we've explored today is just one avenue to monetize your newsletter. Beehiiv offers a variety of tools and opportunities, so feel free to explore other features that may align with your content, strategy, and audience. And there you have it, your newsletter is now ready to start earning. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more features Beehiiv offers to keep those earnings flowing. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy monetizing.